Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to make a fast and easy melon and pineapple refresher. Perfect for the summer eat. Here we have melon, pineapple, lemon juice, and ginger. And we're going to put half of each ingredients in the blender, and we're going to blend that with half a cup of water. And we'll repeat the steps. The blending, guys. Strained, add ice if needed, and enjoy your melon and pineapple refresher. Here we have it, guys. Fast and easy. Hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. And thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.